I'm a deployer of AI. I look for pain, not for passion projects. The philosophy. In 2026, you don't need a finished product to start. You need a process you can execute manually. Foundational social proof. I get a video testimonial, permission to use data, anonymized, and creates a lead card in Airtable. Action 2. The marketing. I don't sell AI. Page website has 3 sections. 1. The problem. A messy screen. The 2026 out. January 2026. The hype around foundational models has plateaued. GPT-7 and Gemini Ultra are commodities. The big tech battle is over. The new frontier is the application layer, the last mile where AI meets specific, messy human problems. My starting point is the modern equivalent of a gold prospector with a cheap pan, a basic laptop, a stable internet connection, and enough cash for a few months of ramen and SaaS subscriptions. The most important asset is a mindset shift. I'm not a builder of AI, I'm a deployer of AI. I look for pain, not for passion projects. Mass markets are saturated. Instead, I practice niche diving. I spend days in places like small business and industry-specific Facebook groups, roofing business owners, local business forums and Nextdoor complaints, Upwork gig platforms, reading reviews where clients complain about poor communication. The insight. I look for the phrase, I spend all my time on the phone/email, not doing the actual work. The winner. Local skilled trades. These are business owners who are experts at their craft but are often overwhelmed by the administrative chaos of 2020 SIXS omnichannel communication. SMS, WhatsApp, Messenger, voicemail, email, web forms. Their pain is acute, they have money, job values are high, and they are underserved by generic tech solutions. The philosophy. In 2026, you don't need a finished product to start. You need a process you can execute manually that delivers the core result. This is the concierge MVP.
Pain reveals
My offer to the
opportunity.
first roofer is pure service. I will be your AI. The 7-day free trial is risk-free for them and forces me to intimately learn the workflow. The goal isn't the $300 fee. It's to document every step, every objection, every piece of data needed to later automate it. The Toolkit, 2026 edition. Voice Text Aggregator. An AI tool that pulls all communications, SMS, voicemail, Facebook messages, into a single, searchable transcript. Lead Scorer. A custom GPT Claude agent I prompt with. You are a roofing estimator. Based on this transcript, extract 1. Job urgency 1 to 10. 2. Probable job size small, medium, large. 3. Key details, leak, shingles, full replacement. Flag high priority leads. Scheduler, a tool like Calendly, but with an AI layer that negotiates times based on the business owner's job location and traffic patterns. My role. I am the quality control, the human nuance checker, and the friendly voice that sometimes calls to confirm. I am building the machine's training data with my own labor. The psychology. This step is non-negotiable. One passionate, referenceable client is worth 10 lukewarm ones. The roofer's success story, got 2 jobs without making a single call, becomes my foundational social proof. I get a video testimonial, permission to use data, anonymized, and crucially a deep understanding of his key performance indicators. KPIs not just leads, but qualified appointments booked. The build. Using a visual AI workflow builder, thinkadvancemake.com, I start replacing myself. Trigger. New voicemail transcription arrives in a Google Doc. Action 1. My custom AI agent analyzes it and creates a lead card in Airtable. Action 2. If lead score 7, an AI draft reply is sent via text asking for best time to call. Action 3. Response goes to the scheduling link. Booking auto-populates the roofer's calendar. My new role. I now only monitor the Airtable dashboard for edge cases and system errors. The marketing. I don't sell AI. I sell time and close deals. The one-page website has 3 sections. 1. The problem. A messy screen. The 2026 outreach. Cold email is dead. Personalized video is king. I use a tool like Descript or HeyGen to create a template video of me speaking. Then, using an AI prospecting tool, I feed it the list of 100 roofers. The tool automatically swaps out the name and company in the first sentence of the script and renders 100 unique-looking videos. It feels personal because it is visually personal, even if the core message is automated. I send these via direct message where attention is higher. The funnel math: 100 targets 8 meetings, 8% is great for this, 3 sales, 37.5% close rate. The offer structure is designed for zero friction. The first week free is my ultimate sales tool. It gets me in the door. Once they experience the relief for a week, the $300 feels trivial. My revenue jumps from $300 to $1,200 MRR. I am now a micro SAS with 4 subscribers. The productization. The chatbot is a game changer. I use a white label platform like Landbot or Crisp to build a simple bot that asks the qualifying questions, e.g., is this an emergency leak? What is your approximate roof size? Best contact number. I place it as a widget on their website. Now leads are pre-qualified before they even become a transcription task. This improves service quality and lets me handle more clients without linear time increase. The price hike in package, the value ladder. I've moved from a labor substitute to a business system. The Pro package, $500, includes the chatbot, priority support, and a weekly analytics report, generated by AI, showing lead sources and conversion rates. This isn't just admin, it's business intelligence. Most original clients upgrade because they see the data helping them make better marketing decisions. The agency illusion, the perception hack. In 2026, AI avatar technology is photorealistic and affordable. I create Jordan, a professional, friendly avatar who does the website walkthrough. This immediately makes my one-person operation look established and credible. It answers the unspoken question. Is this just some guy in his basement? The answer becomes, no, this is a professional company with a team. The content engine, the attraction machine. SEO is now AI native. I use a tool like Jasper or Surfer SEO to research long-tail keywords my niche searches for. I command, write a 1,500-word ultimate guide for a roofer on how to handle online leads in 2026. I then use Opus Clip or a similar tool to turn the key points into 5 TikTok/Reels scripts. A Canva plugin auto-generates the slides. I am now a publisher for my niche, building authority and inbound leads on autopilot. The first hire AI. The scalability key. My time is the bottleneck. My first hire is an AI project manager built on a platform like Notion AI or Baseplate. I create a detailed onboarding template. When a new client signs up, the AI PM sends the welcome email with credentials, generates a checklist for the client, connect your Google Calendar, send your phone number for forwarding, pings me only if a task is 24 hours overdue. This automates my most repetitive non-billable work. The partnership play, the exponential growth. I find a company that makes job management software for roofers, like Jobber or Housecall Pro. I offer them a deal. Their clients get 20% off my service, and I pay them a 15% referral fee. This is a win-win-win. They add value to their product, I get a pre-qualified lead channel, and the client gets a discounted bundle. It's a force multiplier that requires no advertising spend. The data pivot. The moat. After 6 months, I have processed thousands of leads. I know which phrases water is pouring in, locations certain zip codes, and times right after a storm correlate with high-value quick-close jobs. I build a simple algorithm in Airtable or Sheets that assigns a profit probability score. I am no longer selling lead management. I'm selling profit prediction. This is defensible intellectual property. The vertical expansion. The playbook replication. The system works because it solves a pattern. High value, busy, local service-based business owners. My part-time assistant's job is to retrain the core materials. We swap shingles for AC unit, leak for no cool air, and retrain the chatbot and scoring agent. We now have 3 products under one hood. Roofer Lead AI, HVAC Lead AI, Landscaper Lead AI. The underlying tech stack is identical, only the training data changes. The inflection point. At $25,000 MRR, $300,000 ARR. The business is a juicy target. It's profitable, systemized, and growing. The exit path is clear. Sell, fast cash, list on MicroAcquire or Flippa as a recurring revenue AI-enabled service business. Valuation. 3-4x ARR equals $1M. Scale. Bigger bet, take a small seed round, $250,000, to rebuild the stack into a unified SaaS platform, hire a salesperson, and attack the market nationally. The story's lesson. The goal was never the job. It was to create a valuable, sellable asset in 12 months from absolute zero. The 2026 truth. The real money is in being a nichified integrator. You don't need a PhD in machine learning. You need empathy to find a painful problem, the diligence to solve it manually first, and the ingenuity to weave together existing, affordable AI tools into a seamless solution. You are a translator between the capability of AI and the daily grind of a specific customer. The never-ending game. Whether I cash out for $1 million or own a growing company, I have proven the framework. I now have capital, proven operational knowledge, and a network. The cycle restarts. I look for the next niche, perhaps AI concierge for independent clinical therapists, or AI inventory manager for food truck fleets. The game in 2026 is endless, but the first playthrough, documented here, provides the permanent blueprint. The fastest way to make money is to stop looking for the next big AI model and start looking for the next big AI application.